In 8 short years, President Obama, Nancy Pelosi, and Harry Reid absolutely left the Democratic Party in complete shambles. This chart is nothing short of stunning to look at. And if you look at the politicians they have left in their stable, not one of them shows the ability of displaying leadership on a national level. To make matters worse, the Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren faction is demanding that the party turns even more harder left than it already has, which would put the death knell into their chances of holding any national prominence for at least another generation. With the Midwest turning red this year, their pathway to any sort of political advancement seems nearly impossible. Who could have thought this could possibly happen in 8 short years?